Mm. What?
You're corny.
You're corny. You like I said recording, huh? You like I said
recording. You're all nice.
You're a well.
Dude, she left all the hangers on me.
Oh yeah, on mine too. So you get to hang them up in your closet.
Throw them in that drawer.
That's great.
That's funny. Stop recording.
I can't.
Why?
It's just so funny.
Could you say corny?
Okay, stop recording.
No, you don't. Think I'm stupid?
Like my nails. Ooh. Oh, you can't see it. Right there. Right. Oh, there goes those stupid cops again. Asshole cop.
Dude, bro, how come he didn't ask you your age?
How old are you? Who? You. 19. I was like,
okay.
Why are you afraid I passed my curfew? Stupid ass cop.
Seriously?
I mean, you know, he didn't get laid.
For real. Sounds like they had fucking dicks up their asses.
Oh, guys. Oh, yelling like they're the shit.
Seriously, I was like, dude, that's all I kept saying. I wanted to say it so bad I should. It's like, dude, you ain't shit. I know you're boss.
I'm like, go on, try me. Try me.
Yeah, really. You have to get, get a little talk, a little chat with your boss there.
Little chief of police.
That's funny though, because they do think they're the shit.
Yeah, they do.
Oh wait, how come he didn't ask you?
Seriously, what do I look 16?
No.
How come they didn't ask those other people? Like those little boys?
I don't know, maybe they did. They had left.
Oh yeah.
Away. I seriously think they're like 14. Dude, please, I will love you forever.
No. Hello. Hey. Hey, baby.
How you doing?